This quick start video will show you how to work with the battery life estimator. You will need the OT software application and possibly your OT ARC for more advanced features. The battery life estimator is the simplest and quickest way to get a sense of what battery life you can expect for your application and device. To get started, go into the OT software application, choose Window and then Battery Life Estimator. The following dialog will open up. Enter the battery capacity that you're assuming for your device. The supported range is from 1 mAh to 999 Ah. Then enter the average current consumption and the duration of your device's active period during the duty cycle. Also enter the average current consumption and the duration of your device in the sleep period. Click the Calculate Estimate button to see the estimated active sleep cycles for the chosen battery capacity. It will also show you the battery lifetime. Instead of inserting values manually, information can be directly imported from a measurement by using the Get From Selection button. Select the active period of the duty cycle in the measurement graph, and then press the Get From Selection button to import the average current and the active time. This information can also be seen in the statistics in the right upper corner of the measurement graph. Do the same for the sleep period. Note that if your sleep period is very long, you can select only a smaller part of the sleep period and then manually insert the actual sleep time. Note that the battery self-discharge is not taken into account in these estimations and can significantly shorten the battery lifetime, especially if the sleep mode current is low. Also, the device cutoff voltage could limit the usable battery capacity to a lower value than stated by the battery manufacturer. To improve the accuracy of your battery life estimations, you can use the OT battery toolbox to profile and emulate a real battery. As always, if you have more questions about this, check out the Koitek documentation.